Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, your gateway to luxurious living in Punta Cana. Explore our Punta Cana houses for sale strategically positioned within the Aurora complex at Vista Cana. These villas boast 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a constructed area of 1,840 square feet, offering unparalleled convenience and accessibility to various amenities. Nestled within Vista Cana, residents enjoy easy access to shopping, dining, entertainment, and travel hubs like the International Airport, just a short drive away. Spread across 2 levels, these villas maximize space and functionality, featuring spacious living areas, modern kitchens, tranquil terraces, and ample parking spaces. The second level offers a sanctuary of comfort with a luxurious master bedroom, 2 secondary bedrooms, and well-appointed bathrooms. Reserve your dream villa with just $2,000 and take advantage of our payment plan. 15% after signing, 25% during construction, and 60% upon delivery. Don't miss out on the chance to make this exceptional villa your own. Contact us today to learn more and seize the opportunity for your dream lifestyle.